Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Right now I am cooking the Chanko Nabe. It's a sumo wrestler's feast style with my own twist, okay? So it's a seafood version, okay? So I just pour the organically certified olive oil. Yeah, so basically gonna make from seafood and organic veggies, okay? So that's okay. And this is very easy. All you have to do is just put everything into it. Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna start with veggies. Yeah, vegetables. Yeah. So we have fried tofu, organic, what was it? Daikon radish, organically certified carrots, and organic broccolis. Okay, so just put everything into it. Yeah. This is my own style. So each sumo people, they have their own twist. Okay, so this, I'm not a sumo wrestler, just the sumo wrestler wannabe kind of stuff. So just pour in the veggies and tofu. Yeah, doesn't have to be perfect. You just put everything into it. Yeah, and if you want to add more, it's good. You can add much later. You know, more veggies or fish, whatever. Okay, and then. Don't worry, you don't need to add water because you're gonna get the water from the ingredients itself, okay? Now, what's next? Yeah. So some nama tarako, or a raw codfish egg, okay? Yeah. Because this is very fragile, so be careful where you put, okay? So I've already soaked this into ginger, raw ginger juice overnight. Okay? You just put whatever you have to put. Yeah. Just watch, okay? I know this may not look appetizing, but it's okay. And you can put any kind of fish, veggies, all right, and meat, right? Chanko Nabe, it's normally made from chicken or pork, but this time I'm using the seafood. Okay. Yeah. And this is seasonal monkfish liver, soaked in brandy and ginger. Okay, so monkfish liver or ankemo. So this is again so fragile. I already soaked that into kind of juice, right? So. Yeah, wonderful. You see that? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna lower it down. Then swordfish and flounder. Okay. So because this one has bone. If you don't like the bone, you can debone it. Well, I'm not just the typical Asian dude, so I'm gonna cook it like the way it is. Swordfish. So you can put it anywhere, you know. Yeah. I know my hands are blocking the view. Alright, so be it, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Nice. And don't forget to add organically certified garlic, very grated, and also organic ginger. Okay, so it's the ginger juice, right? So I just squeezed the ginger, grated ginger, and then this pulp I'm not gonna waste it. I just put it, sprinkle, right? So you get the flavor. It looks like a chewing tobacco, but it isn't. Then garlic. You can put anywhere. Yeah. Just spread it. Yeah. You can put whenever you like. Whatever you like. Okay. I hate wasting garlic and ginger part because it has so many phytonutrient properties into it. Then organic shiitake mushrooms and organic what was the enoki mushrooms, right? Don't waste the stems because this part is chewy as sea scallops. This is darn good. Okay, so just put it the way I like it. Yeah. You may break it apart, but that's okay because you get the stalk. Right? Okay. And shiitake, of course. I'm not a food artist, so it may not be presentable, but it doesn't matter. And yeah, just put it. Yeah. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so yeah. This is darn good. Yeah. And now, if you don't want the spicy one, you don't need to put it. But I'm gonna put this certified organic jalapeno sauce. Okay, yeah, just sprinkle. Yeah. It's good. And here, certified organic soy sauce. Okay, so this is good. You don't need to put too much. Okay. Just 1 tablespoon. And then because I'm just gonna add miso paste and organic miso. All right, so if you don't want to put it, that's fine too. But I love miso paste. So yeah, I'm gonna put them all because I just want to use it. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna mix with the water. Okay, then should be good to go. And I have the spring water, no, the water filter, purifier, made by Amway Corporation. It's called eSpring. So you want to break this miso paste, so maybe I can use chopstick instead, right? You want to make it like a creamy paste. Okay, so I know it's hard, wasting some time, but I gotta do it, right? That's so good. Yeah, you can put the miso paste now, but you can put it now, it's later or whatever. All right, so you see that stop melting, right? Yeah, it looks like a peanut butter, but no, it's a miso paste. Yeah, so good because it's kind of too dry, so which is good. It also has a probiotic properties into it because as long as it's organic, you won't damage your health. Yeah, all right. And you don't have to blend it thoroughly with water, but I'm just gonna do it because that's what I've been doing for years and years, right? Yeah. So it's easy, does it? You just put everything into it, and then yeah, a few minutes later, it's gonna be very good. Yeah. Right. So then, oh, forgot to add something. Organic cooking sake, or you can put brandy or any kind of alcohol. That's fine. And you just so good. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this up, and I'm gonna see in 45 minutes. All right. Cheers. Wow, amazing. I know I did say it takes about 45 minutes, but I did it in 30 minutes. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, thanks to the energy efficient cookware. So let's dig in. Yeah, so the Chanko Nabe with my own twist is ready. Yeah, so I'm gonna lower it down to power 2. Yeah, this particular one you don't need to cook with the higher heat. That's the beauty. The shiitake mushroom with the monkfish liver, you know, the ankibo. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, this is the most interesting one. So the Cod Roe. Those are hard to find. I mean, if you insist, you can ask the fishmonger, because normally certain places in the world they throw them away. So ask him to keep them for you. Okay. Yeah, you can put any kind of seafood. Yeah, I mean meat is okay too. I mean, maybe one day I'll cook the vegetarian, vegematic, Chanko Nabe. So got some tofu. Okay, and now, yeah, shiitake mushrooms and enoki mushrooms here. Not bad, right? So the monkfish liver. It's not melting, but it's okay because it goes well with the miso paste. Anyway, so wow, look at that. It's not bad, huh? Okay, and flounder. Here we got flounder. Okay, and with swordfish. Somewhere around here. Here. I think I found it. Sorry, I'm blocking the way, yeah? So, okay. And don't forget some. Yeah. I know Daikon is hiding somewhere underneath. Here. Whoa. Got Daikon. So, good thing is Chanko Nabe is you can eat tons of veggies without any effort. See, that's the beauty. That's the beauty. Okay, so itadakimasu, or cheers. Okay, so no. Okay, so I'm gonna eat it right away because I can't wait to eat them. So here, cheers. So we got the swordfish. You see that? Okay. Burning hot. Good. Organic carrots. That's my fave. Yeah. And let me try the Cod Roe or tarako. Okay, nama tarako. Here, looks good, doesn't it? Cheers. This is good. Okay. Oh yeah. Before I say goodbye, right? I better eat some ankimo or monkfish liver. I know it's hiding somewhere, but here. Meanwhile, organic mushroom duo. Cheers. Yeah. I'm afraid the ankimo or monkfish liver is melted almost 90%. But here's some pureed version of monkfish liver. Okay, cheers. So rich. Okay, like I said, I do apologize eating you front up like this because the chef's privilege. So stay healthy and stay strong, okay? No matter what's going to happen in the near future. So you got to do better. In order to do that, you know, it's good to eat the highly nutritious, phytonutrient-rich products and food like this. Okay, God bless. Cheers.